Alright everybody, this video is to go through how to insert a video that you've taken from your Chromebook and putting it into your design notebook. After you've taken your video, you need to upload it to your Google Drive. So go to Google Drive and you'll go to New File Upload. Once you click on that, you can upload your video to Google Drive. Then from there you will see a video, and for here I'm going to use a sample student from Boonsea. So in order to share it into the design notebook, you click on it, right click, and then you'll see share. When you click on share, you then need to take the link. So down below it says get link and copy it. After I've copied that, I now can put it in the design notebook wherever I want. So when it says video of your fling machine in action, I can go to insert link, and since I've already copied it, I can now paste it. So now when I click on it, the video is already inserted in the design notebook.